Installing hydronic underfloor heating can be expensive and time-consuming. And over time, there's always the possibility of leaks. When a leak happens, it can damage not only the concrete, but also the finished flooring above. Heating film systems are much easier to install and require virtually no maintenance. As years go by, sludge can build up inside water pipes, causing uneven heating throughout the floor. With heating film, there are no pipes, so the heat stays consistent year after year. Removing sludge often requires professional servicing, and the cost can easily exceed €1,000. Leaks don't only happen in the pipes, mechanical equipment can fail too. If problems aren't caught early, frozen pipes can become a serious issue during winter. Radiators can also pose a safety risk for young children. Heating film allows you to heat only the spaces you're actually using, helping reduce unnecessary energy consumption. Convection-based systems require regular cleaning to remove dust and mold buildup. And if an outdoor unit is installed on an upper floor, maintenance can involve additional labor and equipment costs. Infrared heating film, no pipes, no water leaks, no outdoor unit, low maintenance.